Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix D3D11 compatible GPU feature level 11.0. Shader model 5 is required to run the engine. Okay, so to fix this, go ahead over to your search bar and find system updates. Okay, then go ahead and click on check for updates right here. Make sure that you install all available updates in this section. Now, once everything is installed in this section, go ahead and go to your advanced options right here. Now find optional updates, and then in here you'll have a ton of drivers available as well. So make sure that you download everything. And then once that's done, go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, you should be good to go. Now if that still won't work, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. And then just find DirectX. Hit on enter. And then in here, go ahead and click on DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. And then go ahead and scroll down a bit and click on download. Save it wherever you want, click on save. And then once that's done, just click on the installer right here. Click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Now, here we have the installer. You can now then go ahead and close the browser if you want to. And then just click on I accept the agreement, next. Uninstall this bloatware or untick it, next. It says here initializing, just wait for the process to finish right here. And then once that's done, click on next, next. And as you can see here, mine is downloading the latest version of DirectX. All right. So just wait a bit. And then once that's done, just basically click on finish. But if you want to, you could go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. That is how you fix a D3D11 compatible GPU feature level 11.0 shared model 5.0 is required to run the engine. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.